Bharat Bandh, it has not been much of an impact as a state on the whole in Karnataka, because only several of the farmers are protesting, and especially farmers' belts such as Yadgir district, Kalburgi district, Ballari districts, and also especially in Mysuru district as well. I'm here at APMC market in Yeshwantpur, but what we see right here is the business is as usual. In fact, there is auctioning that's happening. What you see right behind me, onion and potato traders are continuing as usual. They have not called out for a strike, even though the unions have said that they will support, especially the farmers who are staging a protest. Now, if I could go to basically the president over here of Onion and the Potato Association, Mr. Lokesh. Well, thank you sir for joining us. Can you tell us if you all are supporting the Bandh and how are you all supporting the Bandh?
देखिए, हमें इधर बंद करने का है। किसानों को सपोर्ट करना हमारा काम है, लेकिन ऐसा बंद करे तो हर दिन भी बंद करना पड़ेगा। सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट का वजह से या स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के एक साल को 6 महीने बंद करना पड़ेगा। किसानों को जो कानून किया है किसान का अच्छे के लिए किया है, लेकिन मर्चेंट्स को थोड़ा इफेक्ट आएगा, लेकिन किसान को जो कुछ है किसान को सही है। ये है हमारे आने का ये पेरिशेबल आइटम है। पेरिशेबल आइटम जो कुछ आया वो दिन हमें क्लियर करना पड़ेगा, नहीं तो किसान को हर दिन भी रेट अप एंड डाउन हो जाता है। उनको पेरिशेबल आइटम की वजह से वही दिन हमें खाली करना पड़ेगा। इसलिए हमारे किसानों को सपोर्ट है, लेकिन भारत बंद के लिए हमारा सपोर्ट नहीं है, इसलिए बंद नहीं है। हमारा कुछ है जो है ये बंद करने वजह से सरकार को नुकसान है, काम करने वाले कूली वालों को नुकसान है, किसान को भी नुकसान है। इससे बंद से प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होगा। बंद करना बोले तो ऐसा हमें इलेक्ट करके हमारा एमपी है, एमएलए है, पूरा है, उन लोग सॉर्ट आउट करके ये पूरे अमेंडमेंट करने जो है अमेंडमेंट करने का अपोज करने उनका काम है। इधर भारत बंद करने से कुछ फायदा नहीं है। ऐसा है।
Supplies and essentials, have they been affected today?
ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। ऐसा बारिश की वजह से थोड़ा आज हर दिन भी 40,000 पैकेट आता था, आज 30,000 पैकेट है। 30,000 पैकेट हर दिन भी, आज 30,000 पैकेट है। वो दिन यही दिन खाली करे से अच्छा है, नहीं तो अगर स्टॉक रखे तो कल को 60,000 पैकेट होता है। मार्केट एक दिन मार्केट डाउन हो रहा है। मार्केट डाउन हो जाएगा हमारे का किसान लोगों को ये जो नुकसान किसको पड़ रहा है? किसान को पड़ रहा है नुकसान। किसान को नुकसान करने का काम हमारा नहीं है। हम व्यापारी है, हमारा एपीएमसी है, एपीएमसी और हमारा मर्चेंट्स लोग किसान के लिए सपोर्ट के लिए है।
Do you have enough supplies here for today?
हाँ, डेफिनेटली बहुत है इधर। बारिश का टाइम है, इतना है बहुत सप्लाई के लिए, कुछ शॉर्टेज नहीं होगा। मार्केट कल का लेवल में है, ज्यादा नहीं हुआ या कम भी नहीं हुआ, सेम मार्केट है।
ओके sir, can you tell us about what's happening today? We understand that the rice and the pulses traders are protesting, but the other side of APMC, the business is normal.
Rice, pulses and all these are not perishable goods, and so even if they protest, even if they close the market for 15 days also, it will not affect the quality of the product. But onions, potatoes and all the other perishable goods have to be cleared the same day. Otherwise it is a loss for the farmers, it is a loss for the traders, it is a loss for the government as well. So we cannot protest in a way that it has to be planned in advance. We need to inform the farmers not to bring the produce to the market, and it has to be well planned. That is when we can protest. We just cannot just call it a bandh and 30,000 bags are here. 30,000 bags if they go waste, and it is again loss to the farmer itself. So we can't rice, pulse, sugar, all these can be even if you don't sell it today, you can sell it a month later, but that cannot happen with other perishable goods. So we need to clear off the stocks the same very day.
Also, one important question: have you received the stock today, the essentials today?
Yes, we have received 30,000 bags. Yeah.
Has it been normal like any other day?
No, we can call it average. Yesterday was around 40,000 bags. Today we have around 30,000 bags.
Where have you not received the essentials from? From which state?
No, see, maximum material that we are receiving is from Maharashtra now. We have received a little less.
Okay.
Compared to yesterday, we have received a little less today. But it is not it's not the major difference. I mean, if it was just 1,000 bags today, then we would have called it, yeah, it is complete shortage of material. But this is average, normal. No,
the ones that you're telling that you have received from Maharashtra, have they reached today or was it yesterday?
No, yesterday night and today morning, it is...
So it was normal, the transport was normal?
Yes, normal. Yeah.
Normal.
Yeah.
What do you have to say about the rices and pulses traders protesting?
See, everybody has their own opinion, their own point of view. See, the new amendment that has been made affects some of the businesses in APMC and might not affect some of the businesses of APMC. Some people want to protest this because it affects their business. Yes, we agree that much. Also, there has to be a balance in everything. I mean, you cannot kill the farmers and you cannot support only the other section of the society, or you cannot kill the other society members of the society and protect the other section and kill the farmers. There has to be a via media solution to all this. So, in fact, if they are protesting, yes, you need to listen to their point of view as well, the protesters' point of view as well. And what we are suggesting is bring a balance between all this. We cannot, have an imbalanced situation here. A balance would clear this protest.
Yes, well, thank you. Here we are with especially the onion and potato onion traders, and what they tell us is that, of course, they are lending the support to the farmers who are protesting for the Bharat Bandh. But what they tell us is that this is not the way to protest, because they have already received the stock from Maharashtra and various other states. However, it has been less as compared to the other days, but the business is still on. On the other section of the APMC market, which is especially the rice and pulses traders, they have called, in fact, for the protest, and they are also staging a protest demonstration out on the streets of Bengaluru, and they have brought their shutters down. With video journalist Nagendra, this is Shrija reporting for Mirror Now in Bengaluru.